Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick way to make beef juicy and tender in just 15 minutes and a super quick recipe to make yummy Mongolian beef. Let's get started. Beef, of course, any kind of cut would do. Then we're going to slice them into thin strips. So you see the beef, this one is actually quite thick, so I'm going to slice it into half and then cut it. That way it will be thinner as well. And the special ingredient that we're using today to make the beef juicy and tender is baking soda. So we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. If you go to Chinese restaurants, sometimes you'll see their beef is super tender, and here's the secret. Depending on the amount of beef you have, it's about 1 pound of beef for 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Work it through. Because today I'm making Mongolian beef, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a dash of ground Sichuan peppercorn. I can actually hear the baking soda working together with the soy sauce, making the sizzling sound. Some garlic powder. Last but not least, about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm just going to use my hand and work this through. I'm going to have the beef marinate here for 20 minutes. I'm going to make it super tender. The amount of time that you marinate the beef depending on how thick your beef strip is. So mine is pretty thin, so it only needs about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to cut 2 green onions for color, flavor, and garnishing. Now we're ready to cook the beef. High heat. This is about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. A little bit more is okay. Actually, yes, a little bit more is okay. First, I'm going to fry half of the scallion that we cut. Just lightly fry them a little bit. I'm going to put in the beef. So good. Continue stirring. Ta-da! Just going to fry a little bit. You want to fry this over high heat so the beef cooks instantly. You want to quickly stir fry them so the beef changes color, and then it'll be all done. Probably around 3 to 4 minutes. At the end, we're just going to sprinkle the remaining green onions over, and we're all done. It is super tender. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Like or subscribe to my channel. I will be delighted. See you next time. Bye!